And with me now is Boo Linton. He's the president of GDT Tech Incorporated. GDTK is their stock symbol. Boo, always good to see you.
Good to see you, Don.
Now, you folks are in the business of creating energy from waste heat. Tell us about that again.
Yes, what we do, we use what's called an organic Rankine cycle, which in layman's terms is a refrigerator that works in reverse.
Okay.
We create electricity from waste heat. So we can capture waste heat from many different sources. One source we're doing it from right now is landfills. Landfills create a lot of methane gas. On those landfills, they've been doing this for years. They use that methane gas and run engines that run on natural gas, and they create electricity. But what we do is we capture the heat from that engine. The exhaust, we put a heat exchanger around that exhaust. That captures heat. We take heat from the jacket water of the engine. That makes heat. And through our process, we generate more electricity. So we're taking that heat and making electricity, which otherwise would just be going up into the air as waste heat. So that's why we call it waste heat. It's no longer waste heat because we're using it, but that's what we call it.
You're literally making electricity out of thin air, because that was exactly where it was going before.
Exactly. That's exactly
Wow, that's
right.
Amazing. What's new at the company since you and I last spoke?
New with the company, we've actually got our 150 kilowatt system being put together to be put into the location at American Canyon landfill. So we're expecting to have that up and operational within 6 months. That's under a contracted site with Pacific Gas and Electric of up to 1.5 megawatts. So this will be the first 150 kilowatts of that system going into place. From there, we expect to build it up. This coming Sunday, I'll be going to London to meet with our financial partners. They're the ones that have committed to building this site, and an additional $23 million worth of productions to build the 9 megawatts of contracted power we currently have with Pacific Gas and Electric. So while I'm there, we'll be meeting with various brokerage houses. There'll be representatives from oil companies, because I'll be doing a presentation over there. They're talking about funding our projects here in the United States, but we're also looking for them to fund our projects in Europe as well. This is with our partner, Wave Hungary. Of course, in Europe, there's even bigger benefits.
Sure.
In the UK, electricity costs twice as much as it does in the United States, according to recent statistics. In Italy, 3 times as much.
Wow.
Not to say that there won't be some costs that might go up, but it won't be twice as much and 3 times as much. So I'm looking forward to this, to get over there, meet with our partners, look at the new directions we're going to go, and completing the projects that we'd set out to complete here in the United States.
Well, you know, you've mentioned a couple of times Pacific Gas and Electric. They're one of the largest power companies in the world, and you have a contract with them that basically says whatever power you generate from your facility, they'll buy.
That's right, and that's of course right here in California. Other avenues that we're exploring are in the private industry, because not only does our system create electricity, but there's also benefits for creating hot water. We can use that heat and put it into different directions with companies, making even more savings. So, you know, it's a good thing.
It's fabulous. Again, GDTK is their stock symbol. GDT Tech is the name of the company. Boo Linton, have a great trip to Europe, and come back and tell us how you made out.
I certainly will, Don. Thank you.
Thanks.